Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add image to header in Wix. So let's go to the Wix editor page first. Then you have to click on this plus icon or add elements. Then you can see here image, the second option, click on image. And then you can upload or use upload image from your computer, or you can use image what Wix already have given. I'm choosing this one. Wix already have given image, this one. Click on this image, and now you can see the image has been here. You have to drag to the image to the header point. Then you can see here it is like this, but you have to right click on this and you'll find this set image as background. You have to click on this and you can see the image has been set as background. Or if you want to delete this image, you have to just backspace on this. Okay, so after that you have to click on save, and if you go to preview you can see this thing. So guys, this is how you can add image in header in Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.